നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഓവർസിയർ ഗ്രേഡ് 2, ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്മാൻ ഗ്രേഡ് 2, കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 252/2014, 26/9/2016 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നേരെ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 21. The instrument belongs to a class of reflecting instrument is. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question 22. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 100 meter on the ground, the representative fraction of the scale is. Correct answer option D, 1/10,000. Question 23. The BM established by the Survey of India is known as the. Correct answer option A, GTS benchmark. Question 24. The line joining points of equal elevation is known as. Correct answer option A, contour line. Question 25. Planning of the part of building with respect to the sun, wind direction and topography of locally is called. Correct answer option B, orientation. Question 26. The method of surveying in which field work and plotting work are done simultaneously is called. Correct answer option A, plane table surveying. Question 27. How many percentage is added for contingencies in abstract of estimated cost? Correct answer option D, 3 to 5%. Question 28. The brickwork is not measured in cubic meter in case of. Correct answer option D, half brickwork. Question 29. The granite is an example of. Correct answer option D, siliceous rock. Question 30. Example of an arch dam in India. Correct answer option B, Idukki. Question 31. Which is the process of killing bacteria from water? Correct answer option A, disinfection. Question 32. The color of brick depends upon the amount of. Correct answer option C, iron oxide. Question 33. In a good bricklay, the percentage of alumina should vary from. Correct answer option A, 20 to 30%. Question 34. In analysis of rates, contractors' profit is generally taken as. Correct answer option D, 10%. Question 35. In a whole circle bearing system corresponds to north 54 degree 15 minute west. Correct answer option A, 305 degree 45 minute. Question 36. The first watering before sowing the crop. Correct answer option A, paleo. Question 37. Represents the irrigating capacity of a unit of water. Correct answer option B, duty. Question 38. The relation between depth of water and duty is. Correct answer option D, delta equal to 8.64 B/D. Question 39. Size of B0 drawing board. Correct answer option B, 1500 mm by 1000 mm. Question 40. The size of field book is. Correct answer option A, 20 by 12 cm. Question 41. Water absorption by first class brick in 24 hours immersed in water should not exceed. Correct answer option B, 20%. Question 42. Recommended slump of normal RCC work. Correct answer option A, 80 to 150 mm. Question 43. Curing period of ordinary Portland cement. Correct answer option B, 7 to 14 days. Question 44. The innermost central portion of the tree is called. Correct answer option D, pith. Question 45. In lightweight concrete, the concrete having bulk density between. Correct answer option A, 5 to 18 kilonewton per meter cube. Question 46. Which type of lime is used for whitewashing? Correct answer option B, fat lime. Question 47. In the construction of an arches, the wedge-shaped bricks are used known as. Correct answer option C, Vassoirs. Question 48. According to Rankine's formula, minimum depth of foundation. Correct answer option A, P by W 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi square. Question 49. Screws for woodwork is specified by its. Correct answer option D, length. Question 50. The liquid waste from kitchens, bathroom and wash basin etc. Correct answer option B, sullage. Question 51. The projection of thread beyond the riser is called. Correct answer option D, nosing. Question 52. The length of revenue chain. Correct answer option A, 33 feet. Question 53. The removal of any liquid by a system constructed for the purpose is. Correct answer option D, drainage. Question 54. The size of letter is described its. Correct answer option A, height. Question 55. A culvert with the total length less than 1 meter is called. Correct answer option D, wendway. Question 56. Hurting is the portion of a. Correct answer option C, wall between facing and backing. Question 57. The device to preserve the water seal in a trap by providing ventilation. Correct answer option D, anti-siphonage pipe. Question 58. The fittings used for wash hand basin. Correct answer option A, ablution fittings. Question 59. The volume of one bag of cement weighing 50 kg is. Correct answer option B, 0.0345 meter cube. Question 60. The horizontal angle between true meridian and magnetic meridian. Correct answer option A, declination. Question 61. The portion of a road used by vehicle traffic is called. Correct answer option D, carriageway. Question 62. When the cost of estimate is exceeds by 10% or more required to be prepared. Correct answer option D, revised estimate. Question 63. The path traced by the projectile is called. Correct answer option B, trajectory. Question 64. The vertical member of shutter of doors and windows are called. Correct answer option A, stiles. Question 65. Minimum crushing strength of first class bricks. Correct answer option C, 105 kg per centimeter square. Question 66. The weight of 8 mm bar is. Correct answer option C, 0.39 kg per meter. Question 67. The time elapsed from the first watering at time of sowing the crop to the last watering when the crop mature. Correct answer option A, base period. Question 68. Commonly used bond for the construction of brick wall. Correct answer option D, English bond. Question 69. Which type of trap is used for water closet? Correct answer option C, T-trap. Question 70. The width of broad gauge railway line is. Correct answer option B, 1.676 meter. Question 71. The scale of chord is used to measure. Correct answer option D, angle. Question 72. Total weight of 25 bags of cement is. Correct answer option C, 1250 kg. Question 73. The constant vertical distance between two consecutive contour is. Correct answer option A, contour interval. Question 74. Duty is measured is. Correct answer option B, hectare per cubic per second. Question 75. Which one is used for measuring more than 2 units? Correct answer option A, diagonal scale. Question 76. Removal of formwork of slab prop left under. Correct answer option B, 3 days. Question 77. The distance between the time of action of the resultant compression and the time of action of resultant tension. Correct answer option A, lever arm. Question 78. The distance between the surface bars and surface of concrete. Correct answer option B, cover. Question 79. The pipes should provide at inlets and outlets of the septic tank. Correct answer option C, T-pipes. Question 80. Which type of joint is used in frame of doors and windows? Correct answer option D. Mortise and tenon joint. Question 81. A continuous group of steps is called. Correct answer option C. Flight. Question 82. The least value of leveling stuff is. Correct answer option C. 0.005 meter. Question 83. Method used for chaining on sloping ground. Correct answer option C. By stepping method. Question 84. The inner molecular attraction between molecules of the same liquid is. Correct answer option B. Cohesion. Question 85. The lowermost part of structure that transmit the load to the soil is called. Correct answer option C. Foundation. Question 86. The specific gravity of kerosene is. Correct answer option D. 0.82. Question 87. The bone consists of alternate header and sand stretches of in each course. Correct answer option B. Flemish bond. Question 88. Full form of DPC. Correct answer option C. Dam proof course. Question 89. Number of links in a 20-meter chain is. Correct answer option C. 100. Question 90. If the bearing of OA equal to 32 degree, bearing of OB equal to 112 degree, then angle AOB equal to. Correct answer option B. 80 degree. Question 91. The process of distribution of water is called. Correct answer option B. Regulation. Question 92. The unit of power in SI unit is. Correct answer option C. Watt. Question 93. The rate of change of velocity is. Correct answer option C. Acceleration. Question 94. Force by area equal to. Correct answer option C. Stress. Question 95. 80 degrees Celsius equal to. Correct answer option C. 176 degree Fahrenheit. Question 96. The unitless factor is. Correct answer option B. Strain. Question 97. The preliminary inspection of R to be surveyed is known as. Correct answer option C. Reconnaissance survey. Question 98. Planimeter is used for measuring. Correct answer option C. Area. Question 99. At poles, the amount of magnetic dip is. Correct answer option B. 90 degree. Question 100. The ingredient which controls setting time of cement. Correct answer option C. Gypsum.